Hey Nettie, here's my mantelpiece that I just finally finished. I gotta get my big mirror out and put it up, and then do one more thing, and then I think I'm gonna stop from there. But yeah, this is my mantelpiece, and I went and dug out all my candles and stuff that I had and put it in there, and I think I'm loving it. I think I did a good job for this to be my first real one that I put together. So, and you see the flowers that you gave me, the roses. I'm putting them in there. They look so pretty in there. So this is it. This is my mantelpiece. So I'm finna clean up now. I love you.